Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making cheese stuffed garlic bread, that too under 10 minutes. So let's begin with the recipe. Garlic butter is ready. Take 4 slices of brown bread. Spread the mixture generously. Now for the stuffing, place the shredded cheese on one of the bread slices. Add veggies of your choice. I'm using capsicum and onion here. You can use sweet corn as well. You can add the peri masala. This step is totally optional. If you don't have this, you can skip this part. Cover the sandwich with a second slice of bread, like this. Now we will repeat the process, like we did earlier. Now place a pan or a tawa and spread the butter mixture on the bread and toast on both the sides. Cover the pan with the lid. It allows the cheese to melt thoroughly and it gives a gooey effect. Add a little bit of peri masala on the toasted side of the bread. This is completely optional. If you don't have it, you can skip this part.